As Maldivians, our lives and livelihoods are deeply tied to the ocean. So, protecting the ocean around us is important, not just for marine life, but for humans. And marine protected areas, known as MPAs, are one of the best tools we have to protect and restore the sea around us. Let us explain. MPAs manage certain human activities inside identified marine areas. This could include management of diving, boat anchoring, or fishing within an MPA's boundaries. This kind of management can help reduce the stress on marine life so they can thrive inside the area. Some MPAs allow fish to grow and breed without any interruption, which will then spill into fishable areas. And when increased fish populations eat microalgae, it can help corals to increase their coverage, providing habitats for even more marine life. Some MPAs can also help protect seagrass from impacts such as anchoring, which can then reduce beach erosion, improve water quality, and provide nursery grounds for important fish species. So, let's think ahead and save marine life along with the nation's biodiversity-based economy. Support MPAs, save marine life.